From the time you arrive at Kings Road RV Park, you'll see the difference in our modern facilities, our friendly professional staff, and our special way of providing residents of Kings Road RV the most secure and enjoyable RV living experience in West Texas. We believe your home away from home should feel like home. So, Kings Road RV is unique in a number of ways. Spaciously designed on 22 acres, conveniently located in the city of Pecos with 300 fully shaded RV sites, all equipped with 50, 30, and 20 amp electrical service, city water and sewer, hardline expanded cable and internet to every site, and the added security of gated park access. Our unmatched facilities and amenities package starts with spacious, hotel quality, fully private shower rooms, an indoor mailroom for shipping and receiving of packages, as well as your personal mail slot. Our luxurious outdoor pool and adjacent patio areas can be enjoyed during the hot seasons, with a water slide and toddler pool area for the kids. Just recently completed is our resort quality fitness center that features state of the art techno gym cardio and fitness equipment, yoga mats, free weights, and more. With complimentary lockers, towel service, cooling fans, and refreshing private shower rooms. All amenities are reserved for tenant use with secure access. Our laundry facility is the largest and best maintained in the area, with over 20 washers and dryers, a bill changer, complimentary laundry carts, and additional seating. Additional outdoor amenities include a park quality playground set for the kids, horseshoe pits, picnic and patio areas with complimentary grills, and a professional grade basketball goal. Make the upgrade today to Kings Road RV.